So there's a first time for everything, right? We have to run the vacuum cleaner, and the baby hasn't experienced the vacuum yet. So Michael's gonna run the vacuum, and I'm gonna watch her to make sure she doesn't get scared. I don't think she will. We've had a lot of noise going on in the house, like with Eddie, and just in general, we've been making a lot of noise because we're trying to get her used to the noise so she doesn't...
We're not. We're just going about our life.
Well,
we just make that much noise.
We just make that much noise. But here's the thing, guys. I've had tons of samples sent to me from formula companies, like, hold on a second, let me move this. All these formulas right here, which it's a lot. And I'm not planning on using formula, but I want to keep it for a little while just in case of an emergency or whatever. Who knows, right? Things happen. And then I want to donate it to our homeless coalition. So I'm like, okay, this stuff is like, I need to put it somewhere. And we have this bottom section of our pantry down here, but it's kind of like dusty and stuff down there, so Michael's gonna vacuum it.
Spiders.
Michael says there's spiders. Is there really spiders, or is it just hair?
Daddy long legs.
Oh, well, they're nothing. Just those.
There when they get on you.
Daddy long legs are harmless. Completely harmless. That's disgusting. Ew. We have a lot of hair issues in the house between all of us, me and Alex.
2 girls, now 3 girls, and a
and
dog.
the dog.
Not me. I'm hair free.
Got hair on your head and your face.
How much? Okay.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. So I'm gonna go sit with baby while he sucks up stuff. Yeah, go ahead. We want to see her reaction. Oh, she smiled. Oh, she's such a good girl. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, her little sock fell off. Don't scratch your face, baby. Oh my goodness. I guess she doesn't mind it too much. She slept through the whole thing. Kind of. She squirmed a little bit, but not a pout, not a nothing.
That's awesome.
Works for me.
Yeah.
I guess that means I still have to vacuum the house. Darn. I don't get out of that chore.
Not a problem, eh?
If she starts fussing, it's because she's hungry. No, she was fine. She kind of peeked her eyes open a little bit, and that was it.
Yeah. Did it wake you up?
She's such a good baby.
Oh, yeah.
Like, okay, so
really.
She slept all day yesterday, and Michael and I were joking around last night that she was going to keep me up all night. She didn't. She woke up, she'd eat, she'd go back to sleep for like an hour and a half because she eats like every 2 hours. All night. And then now today she's been really good too. Oh, yeah.
Well, but the only squeaks you hear out of her is when she's ready to eat or ready to change, not just for the heck of it.
Yeah, she hates when her diaper is wet or poopy, so she cries. And then I just know to change her, and then she'll let out little squeaks when she's hungry, and let's hope it stays that way.
You need to tighten that up.
I don't want to jinx it. She's been so good.
Hi.
Nice and alert now. That's good.
Well, I don't know about that.
Time to eat. Her little slipper, her little socks.
Both of them.
She manages to wiggle them off. They're not very tight, like on her hands, so I need to put them back on so you don't scratch your pretty face.
You see what's going on over here, Ed? Mommy's got a new snuggle buddy. Oh.
Actually, last night I was laying like this too, and he came up here and he was nosing around. He came up here and he was trying to lick my face, and this is so heavenly, guys. I love this. When they're sprawled on your chest, and it's like...
Okay, I don't want to say this, but she's getting big already.
Don't say that.
Unless it's just the way she's looking, because her legs kind of extended out.
Her legs are stretching.
Yeah.
Although, as much as she's been eating the last couple days, like every 2 hours I'm having to nurse her. It's actually more like every hour and a half. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's covered in weeds.
Oh, he rolled in the dirt.
You need to
down.
go.
Yeah, I guess I might be giving you a bath later.
So, for as much as she's been eating the last few days, it's very well possible she's gotten bigger, quite a bit bigger. Well, it's like giving them a big hug for a long time. And they fall asleep and they get like in a really deep, heavy sleep like this. So it's just like they're melting into you. It feels so good.
Wow, can you imagine? That big baby was in your tummy not a week ago.
I know.
She's huge.
I know. Yeah, I was carrying it around all day. I know how big it was. Somebody's been sleepy all day.
I haven't seen her at all. Like, not wait. You guys did your video, and then I went and did a couple of my videos.
Oh, yeah. She was awake this morning. Oh, she was awake a long time this morning. Because from about 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. And then I didn't do my video till what, 2? So that was like 4 hours that she was pretty
awake when I don't remember her being awake.
I was in doing my video. Yeah, I think
she was awake for that.
She was awake and alert during my whole video. And I thought, oh, this is good because was she like pouting?
Pouting and smiles.
She's smilingest baby. I've never seen a baby smile so much. Of course, you guys aren't going to see it because she's...
You gotta catch it.
Yeah, you gotta... You gotta, like, just wait for it.
Hey, wake up. Wake up.
Although she slept all day yesterday and then she slept good for me last night. As long as she sleeps for me at night, I'm okay.
You'd tell people that you're still doing your video stuff on your channel.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do, I guess, like weekly updates on like how I'm feeling and how the baby's doing and the changes and things like that, just to kind of keep going with the weekly videos that I've been doing.
Yeah, not pregnancy anymore, but
not pregnancy, but just
step.
I guess it's kind of fun just to see how much they change in a week. And I filmed my video, and then afterwards, of course, I'm like, I thought of like 3 different things that I wanted to talk about that I didn't mention in the video, so I'm kind of like kicking myself now. So I don't know what to do about that.
Until next week.
I guess I'll have to. Like, one of the things was the obvious thing, like her weight and measurements, and I didn't talk about that, and I was like, that was really dumb. I should have, but I didn't. I'm really tired. That's the hard part, is like trying to think of all the stuff you want to say when you're barely functioning.
Ready to wake up? I saw an eyeball there.
It's an eyeball. Oh, she's missing the sock on her hand, huh? Oh, squish face.
Just waving at everybody. Hi. Hey guys, I'm just sleeping here.
Hey, what's up? Sometimes when you laugh, she smiles.
Yeah.
I think she hears your laugh and then she thinks it's funny. Oh, chubby cheeks. She's got a double chin. See? Oh. Dad.
Oh, that's a grumpy face.
Jeez, Dad. That's what she needs, though. She needs woke up. For a little while, anyway. You need to socialize with Daddy for a little bit today. Need to get your daddy-daughter time in today. So I am tucking Alex into bed, and every night we have a routine where she gets in bed and we say prayers, and then we like kiss goodnight and stuff like that. Well, for the last 8-9 months that everybody's known that we're pregnant, you know, since we announced that we were pregnant, Alex has always kissed my belly. Well, since Dad and I told you that we're having a baby, she's always kissed my belly at night and said goodnight to the baby. Twice now, she's gone to kiss my belly, like when I go to say goodnight to her. Twice, because she's so used to me being pregnant. So when did you do it to me? Last night? Yeah. And tonight?
Yeah.
I don't know why you didn't do it the other night. Oh, well, 2 nights I was in the hospital. The one night you stayed at Mimi's. So there was like a couple nights that she wasn't home. So I don't know about the other night. Oh, the one night when I tucked her into bed, Chelsea was with me. I was holding Chelsea. So Chelsea and I tucked Alex into bed. So that's why she didn't do it that night, because I had Chelsea. Don't mess with him.
I petted him.
No, leave him be. Let him thrash around. Eddie is thrashing around on Alex's bed. What? Oh! Oh my goodness! Just fell off the bed. Hey, you need to calm down, Edward. So I just thought that was so funny that there's been a couple times she's gone to kiss my belly, and then as soon as she leans in to kiss it, she realizes there's nothing there. It's kind of funny. It's silly.
Get off my foot.
Hey, quit being ornery. Okay, so
Wait, I forgot to grab my lizard out of the bathroom.
good night, no kisses on the belly.
What happened? It's everywhere. And it exploded. I don't know if you guys can even see